So the topic of my research project is genetically modified foods and the policies that should be placed on them, which in this case is labeling and accessibility. And this is my website right here. So on the homepage, I basically start off with a little bit of background information on genetically modified foods. So here I explain what they are, which are foods from organisms that have been genetically engineered in some way during production. And then I go on to explaining what events sparked the controversies surrounding genetically modified foods, which are the reasons why or why not GM foods should be labeled and freely accessible to consumers in the marketplace. And then right here I have my thesis statement that outlines my research paper. This thesis statement basically states that there should be lenient policies placed on genetically modified foods because of the misconceptions surrounding them, and these policies should be no labels and allowing them to be sold in the marketplace. Below this, I have a couple of videos and pictures. So this infographic right here on the left just shows what the major crops are in the US, which are soybeans, cotton, and corn. And then below that, how many acres are used in some of these countries for GM crops. And on the next tab, I have a link to my research paper right here. So on to my subtopic. For my first subtopic, I chose organic foods because part of the misconception surrounding GM foods is correlated to the emphasized benefits of organic foods and the deceptive advertising of that in that industry. So organic foods include any food produced without the addition of fertilizer or additives. So while organic foods do have some advantages over GM foods that include environmental and health benefits, they make GM foods and turn them into something they're not. So below here, I have some more videos and pictures relating to organic foods. So this video here basically discusses the said benefits of organic foods and whether or not they are worth investing in because organic foods do come at a higher price. So next, my next subtopic is agricultural biotechnology. So I chose this topic because GM foods are a form of agricultural biotechnology because things are being altered at like some point in production. There are many benefits of this which can improve sustainability in the future, like crop quality and increasing yields. Um, but there are many opponents of it because critics believe that it has not been tested enough for it to be safe for consumers. And here I just have some more pictures and videos relating to agricultural biotechnology. And for my last subtopic here, I chose food safety because one of the main reasons that people want GM foods labeled is because of the wide range of threats to food safety. There are many government agencies like the USDA and the FDA right here that take care of issues like these, including the policies on GM foods being one of them. So below this, after all these pictures, I have a video right here from the USDA about tips to improve food safety at home. So simple things like how to clean and some cooking techniques. On the next tab, I have my research reflection, which talks about what I've learned over the course of this project and explains how I use persuasive techniques in my paper and on this website. And lastly, this is a link to my works cited page, which is for everything I have in my paper and on my website.